Good evening. Assalamu alaikum to all the dignitaries, eminent speakers, and participants from India, Iran, and across the globe. I, Syed Mohammad Fauzan Akhtar, am the Executive Director of Integral Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Integral University, Lucknow. Am I audible? I'm clear.
Yes, Assalamualaikum.
First and foremost, I would extend my gratitude to the organizers of this international webinar on prophetic medicine in commemoration of the visionary scholar Hakim Ajmal Khan Sahab. The founder trustees, Dr. Mubashir Khan Sahab, Dr. Khan Khalid Sahab, Dr. Shahid Malik Sahab, Dr. Ayaz Ahmed Sahab, and other national and international trustees. They all deserve a big round of ovation for the innovation, for the initiative they have taken for the cause of promoting and extending the wisdom behind prophetic medicine to the doorstep of people and spreading awareness among the common masses through such events. This in itself is a challenging and a demanding task in these
आवाज
times.
नहीं आ रही आपकी हजरत.
नहीं, आवाज स्लो है बस.
Hats off to your efforts. My heartfelt wishes to all. Dr. Muhammad Fauzan Faruqi Sahab, a renowned scientist who has done commendable researches on plant products of commercial and medicinal value. Dr. Fakhri Alam Sahab, senior scientist, Aligarh Muslim University. Dr. Babak Danishfard, consultant physician from Shahid Beheshti University of Medical Sciences. A medical doctor by profession, an able physician, a keen researcher in the area of Persian medicine, and practicing dedicatedly in the field of integrative medicine. After listening to the enlightening words by these speakers, I have little to say. I'm spellbound by the useful information I gathered here. The words have been thought-provoking, insightful, and have broadly picturized prophetic medicine beautifully. Today, it's an honor for me to be a part of a momentous occasion to commemorate the outstanding work of the visionary scholar Hakim Ajmal Khan Sahab. Hakim Ajmal Khan Sahab was hailed as the Masiha-e-Hind, healer of India, and a king without a crown. And very little and very few know this. Hakim Ajmal Khan Sahab mastered miraculous cures and possessed a magical medicine chest, secrets of which known to him alone. Was his medical acumen that it is said that he could diagnose any illness by just looking at an individual's face. The most outstanding and multifaceted personality of his era, with matchless contributions to the cause of Indian independence, national integration, and communal harmony. Hakim Ajmal Khan Sahab practiced Tibbe Unani or Unani medicine with utmost excellence, integrity, precision, perfection, and virtue. He descended from a line of physicians in India, Delhi, and was one of the founders of famous Jamia Millia Islamia University, and holds to his credit the position of being the chancellor of the university. He also founded the well-known Tibbiya College in Delhi. My dear friends, colleagues, and participants from across the globe, education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. And we at Integral University welcome collaborative research in the domain of alternative medicine from across the globe. And I am very hopeful of the fact that this seminar will surely be a gateway to cooperative learning, and a platform to boost sharing of knowledge in various domains of prophetic medicine and broadly alternative medicine. I would love to hear from you all on faculty and student exchange programs for furthering the cause. Being an integral member of Integral University, I would take this opportunity to give a brief snapshot of this university. Integral University, situated in the city of Lucknow, is a seat of excellence with a unique culture of inclusiveness, diversity, personal and intellectual integrity, and value-based education. The curriculum here has a strong focus on individual growth and the development of essential tools to empower students to make a mark in the corporate world and in the field of technology. These are solidly supported by a highly qualified and trained team of accomplished faculty and robust academic infrastructure. The university is duly approved by the University Grants Commission, UGC, the National Medical Commission, NMC, which was earlier called as the Medical Council of India, MCI, the Pharmacy Council of India, Indian Nursing Council, Council of Architecture, the Bar Council of India, Indian Association of Physiotherapists, National Council for Teacher Education, Uttar Pradesh State Medical Faculty, and so on and so forth. Integral University houses a 650 plus bedded multi-speciality hospital associated with a glorious Integral Institute of Medical Sciences and Research. With state-of-the-art medical facilities, modular operation theaters, and more than 200 medical doctors on board. Integral University is not only an academic institution, but also a mission and a vision to make the country progressive and prosperous in all walks of life. We as a community should inculcate prophetic medicine in our lives. And as Allah has said, that He did not send down any disease without having sent down its cure, which is true to the core of its DNA. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has stressed upon the importance of using black seeds, Nigella sativa, as a cure for various ailments. He also said, hold on, use these seeds regularly because it's a remedy cure for every disease except death. This statement of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has attracted a lot of researchers from across the globe. And numerous researches have been carried out, and the conclusion drawn was this plant seed can cure at least 129 different types of ailments, including hypertension and diabetes, for which it is said hardly any cure exists. Similarly, for dates, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that indeed in dates there is a cure. And we know today that dates are a rich source of proteins, fibers, vitamins, potassium, and helps in preventing heart diseases. Another prophetic saying tells us a lot about honey and its advantages, which is widely evident in the documents available over the internet and books. Incorporating prophetic medicine knowledge with modern medicine can make wonders, and this is what I think will surely open a new domain of treatment. Aiming to inculcate prophetic medicine practice as the most sought after approach to healing and wellness, delivering meticulous results should be the prime motto hereafter. Very few people are aware about the same, and dissemination of knowledge should be of paramount importance. I repeat myself, dissemination of knowledge should be of paramount importance. And it's been a long time coming, but better late than never. We all have to take this noble cause ahead Hindrances may come along your way, but they do not destroy you or your motive. Rather, help you realize your hidden potential and power. And someone has very rightly said, let difficulties know that you too are difficult. I would like to end my saying and by saying, परों को खोल, ज़माना उड़ान देखता है. परों को खोल, ज़माना उड़ान देखता है. ज़मीन पे बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है. Think big, aim for the biggest. Trust yourself and make it happen. Arise, awake, and stop. Stop not until the goal is reached. Good things take time, and diamonds are crafted in extreme conditions. Good luck, Allah Hafiz, all the best. Thank you.